So on to the last question. So it says Sarah was riding a Ferris wheel with a diameter of 45 meters. Once on the ride, she noticed that the lowest height she reached was 1 meter above the ground, and it took 60 seconds to complete a revolution. So we're going to start with question A, which says develop an equation to model Sarah's height as a function of time. So I know that the diameter is 45 meters, which is also my maximum height. So therefore my max is 45, and then my min, as they say here, is 1 meter above the ground, so it's 1. So with that, I can calculate my amplitude and my vertical translation. So my amplitude is going to be its max minus min divided by 2, which is going to be 45, minus 1 divided by 2, which is 22. And then my vertical translation is going to be 45 plus 1. It's max plus min divided by 2, which is going to be 23. I can also find my period with this, even though I don't really need it, which is 360 divided by 60 equals 6. And then with that, I can also find my phase shift. And to be able to do that, I need to find the closest number to the vertical translation. So if I do a little table of value right here, I know that at 0 is going to be 45, at 1 is going to be at 3, at 30, 45, 60. So I concluded that my phase shift should be 30. So I know that in my equation I'm going to have x minus 30. So if you want to see just a little sketch of this, it's going to look something like this. So at 45, this is a 1. So basically that's a little what it's going to be looking like. So with that, I can finally find my equation. I think I'm going to use, it can either be cos, so y equals a, which in this case is so 23 cos kx minus 30, oh no, 22, sorry, plus 23. So with that, I can basically find where she is after 78 seconds. So I just plug in 78 for this. So 22 cos, k was 60, I believe. K was 6, sorry. So k 6x minus 30 plus 23. I can just plug in 78 for this, which is going to give me 22 cos 78 minus 30 equals 48 times 6, which is 208 cos 288 plus 27. So I'm just going to change colors so you can see the final result. So it's going to be cos 288 equals times 22 plus 27. I'm going to get my final answer, which is 33.8 basically. So this is going to be my final answer. Thank you.